Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into 7 stunning Epoxy Charcuterie board styles that customers can't get enough of. Let's start with the ocean wave style. These boards bring the beach right into your kitchen. Thin crystal clear blue resin, soft white foamy details, and flowing wave patterns that look just like the ocean. Artists layer blue and white pigments, then use heat tools to shape the waves into lifelike motion. This is perfect for big theme homes, ocean lovers, coastal weathers, or as a thoughtful gift with seaside vibe. Note also that nailing the wave look takes a bit of practice. Timing your heat tools right is key to making the resin flow just the way you want. Next is the river style board. It literally looks like a river flowing through the center of the board. You take 2 live wood slabs, leave a gap, and pour resin in between. It's that simple and that stunning. Go with vibrant blue for a classic river vibe, or experiment with smoky tones and metallics for something more modern. This is also perfect for nature lovers, fans of rustic or organic designs, and anyone into modern wood decor. Pro tip: choose wood with interesting live edges because knots, curves, or back textures make the river effect pop. Now, let's talk about something soft and sentimental: pressed flower boards. These capture real dry flowers in clear resin, like preserving a memory. They feel delicate, thoughtful, and full of charm. Perfect for weddings, garden parties, spring gatherings, or heartfelt Mother's Day gifts. It is also perfect for customers who love romantic, nostalgic, or nature-inspired pieces. Important tip: make sure your flowers are completely dry and sealed, or they might fade or brown over time. Coming in at number 4 is clear resin with live edge wood, which is a clean and modern combo. The clear resin creates the illusion that the wood is floating. It highlights all the beautiful grain and texture of the wood without adding any extra color. This is also perfect for minimalists, natural design lovers, or anyone looking for a sleek gallery style board. Important tip: clear resin shows everything, so be meticulous. Bubbles, dust, and surface imperfections are much more noticeable, but when it is done right, the result is nothing short of stunning. Next is the bold and modern split board, also known as the half wood, half resin design. This design is half raw wood and half colored or metallic resin. It's eye-catching, edgy, and super stylish, perfect for contemporary kitchens, modern apartments, or as a standard corporate gift. Pro tip: use contrast to your advantage. A deep black resin next to light maple wood, instant wow factor. Let's add a little sparkle with a geodes style board. Inspired by crystals and gemstones, these boards mix resin with crushed glass, stones, and metallic pigment to create stunning layer shimmer. They catch the light beautifully and have serious wow factor. Perfect for luxury shoppers, glam home decorators, or anyone who wants a piece that doubles as art. Important tip: less is more, so overloading it with too many textures or colors can make it feel more chaotic. So balance is key. Let's wrap it up with the abstract art style. These boards are all about expression. You can swirl colors, sprinkle in metallic powders, and add gold leaf or whatever your imagination dreams up. Each one is completely unique, perfect for art enthusiasts, boho-inspired homes, or anyone who wants something truly personal and creative. Keep in mind that with abstract art, sometimes the hardest part is knowing when to stop. So, leaving a little space helps your design breathe. If you want to make something original that reflects your own style, this is the way to go. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.